Decorating Fanatic here. Hey guys, I want to share with you what I'm making tonight. And I have my little dog and my little helper in the kitchen with me. And I did have a leftover ham from Thanksgiving, so I am going to make pea soup, and I absolutely love the way my pea soup comes out. Now all you have to do is get 10 cups of water, bring it to a boil, and then drop in your ham and let the meat fall off the bone. My ham is almost done cooking. Now all I need to do is grab a plate and pull out the bone, and if you have any leftover ham on the bone, just slice that off and you can put it back into your boiling water. And it smells so good. I can't wait to try this pea soup, especially when you use a honey baked ham. All the brown sugar and all the flavorings come out of the ham into your pea soup, and it's going to taste delicious. I have 1 bag of peas. Now all I need to do is rinse these real well, and I'll be ready to put those in the pot. I have my peas in my strainer. Now all I'm going to do is run these under water and get these nice and clean, and then I'll be ready to put this in my pot. So I went ahead and dumped my peas in my pot. Now all I need to do is stir that around and go ahead and put a lid on there. And the directions do say boil for 30 minutes, but we'll see exactly how long it takes for my peas to get soft. I have my lid on my pot, and as you can see, my pea soup is boiling. Now I will check it in a few minutes. I'll come back and stir it. You want to make sure that you don't leave it for too long, and then you find out you boiled all the water out and you have your pea soup stuck to the bottom of the pan. So keep an eye on it. The next step is I'll be slicing 1 large onion to go into my soup, and I'll also be adding garlic. Now the garlic is my favorite, so any chance I can get to use garlic, I do. And then I'll be slicing some baby carrots to go inside my soup until it's nice and tender. The bag of peas come with a seasoning packet. I went ahead and sprinkled that inside the soup, gave it a good stirring, and as you can see, it's still boiling, and I can't wait for my pea soup to be done. Cornbread's ready to go in the oven. I have the temperature set for 375, and it's going to go in the oven for around 26 minutes, but I always like to check it because I've had times where it always gets done a lot quicker, and I definitely do not want my cornbread to burn. Cornbread's all ready to come out of the oven. Now I caught it just in time. I set the timer for 26 minutes, but it did get done around 16 minutes. That's why I always like to check it to make sure it doesn't burn. So I'm going to go ahead and spread some butter on the top, and I can't wait to try my pea soup. My pea soup's all finished, and I can't wait to sit down and take a break. I've been so busy the last 2 days decorating the outside of my house. Now I'm still not finished. I have some lights that need to go on the house, and I'll probably finish that up tomorrow. And I can't wait to share the video with you guys. Now I'm missing one thing that needs to go along with my pea soup and my cornbread. That's my glass of milk that I have in the freezer getting super cold. So I hope you enjoyed this pea soup as much as I do. And until next time, happy decorating!